Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Hey there, it's Lydia here from Lydia's Plate. Today I want to show you the cleaning solution that I use in the bathroom. It's a very simple recipe. It is just lemon juice, vinegar, water, and dish soap. So you'll see me measuring that all out, and then I don't even have to mix it together. It mixes as you pour it together. And then I will refill all my bottles here. So I'm going to make 2 batches. 2 bottles full, actually. This I think I'm making 5 batches at a time here, and I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this cleaning solution works for you. It is cheap, frugal, easy to do, and I love it. The smell changes depending on what kind of dish soap you put in there, but otherwise, you know, I don't mind just the smell of it with the vinegar and the lemon juice. It just, to me, it smells like salt and vinegar chips, and the vinegar in there just smells so clean to me. But if you don't like that smell, if you find it's burning your nose or anything like that, then you may like to add some essential oils or a really strong scented dish soap. But that is totally your choice. I don't, because I'm just not into that. So this is the way I do it, this is what I like to do, and this solution works really, really well for me. Now as I'm filling these bottles, I am moving the funnel over as the soap bubbles start to come out, but later on I'm going to top the bottles up all the way. I'm going to top them off and let those soap suds come all the way out, because I want my bottles fairly full so that I'm not having to make cleaning solution soon again. Doing it like this, filling up these bottles all the way, and now using the spray bottle, I only have to make these bottles full, oh boy, once, maybe twice a year. And especially now with using that spray bottle, I find I go through less cleaning solution using the spray bottle than when we would try to pour a little bit into the sink and have cleaning solution together with water in the sink or the toilets, because the kids often help me get the house clean, especially if I'm really busy and I'm doing the food and we've got company coming. Our kids will often go clean the bathrooms, and so before using the spray bottle they would often accidentally pour too much cleaning solution into the toilets. So using the spray bottle has really helped to not waste any solution, and so therefore it lasts longer, making it even cheaper to use. The recipe is in ounces, so some of the items I have converted, but this measuring cup is quite large. It's an 8-cup measuring cup, and so it can hold quite a few ounces. So then that hasn't been an issue for me anymore. And I don't bother shaking it up, because I've done that in the past in order to mix it all up, and I find, as I said earlier, that as you pour it in, it just mixes itself up. When you add the dish soap, if you try to give it a mix after that, you just fill up that whole big bottle with soap suds, and then you have to, it feels like it takes forever for the soap suds to finally settle back down. So I don't do that anymore. As you can see, as I'm pouring in here, it's just mixing right in. So that gives you a good idea of how this works. That's it, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found it helpful. This solution again is something that I love. It's cheap, it's frugal, it's environmentally friendly, pet friendly, kid friendly. I think it's just all around great. So anyways, I hope that you will be brave enough to give it a try. I hope that you like it. If not, hey, you know what? Everybody has different tastes, different styles, ideas, and that's totally fine too, because you be who you are, and I'm gonna keep being who I am. So thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, thanks if you have, and press the notification bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And I so look forward to seeing you and bringing you motivation in the next video and tips and whatever else. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye!